Oh my God. So the week started out great. It was kicking ass, taking names, and then our house flooded. There was an inch full of water in the entire kitchen and the entire garage. Like, oh my God. I thought when I opened the garage door, the water would go rushing out, and then I realized that the garage was full of an inch of water. So then I decided to open the garage door, and you can hear this flush of water just flying out. All right, it is weekly weigh-in Wednesday, and we are going to, all right, we're gonna get real. Okay, so, start with the boobs. 41. 39.5. 41.5. 25 right leg. 24 left leg. Alright, we got the calves too. 15 right leg. 15 left leg. Alright, where are the arms? 11.5. And 12. And here is my weight. So in summary for this week, it was going really good at the beginning of the week, and I was working out like I was supposed to, eating like I was supposed to. I was on a really good trajectory, and then my house flooded, and I actually spent a really good part of the day yesterday trying to get rid of the water and literally bailing it out in the back part where it was really flooding. And I am so sore today, so overall it was good. The workouts that I did miss, I've more than made up for yesterday. I didn't eat the best today, which I think is why my stomach was sticking out more than it used to or usually is, and why I had gained 2 pounds. But my measurements were down, so I really think it's just because there's a lot of food in my stomach, like literally. So we'll keep going forward for next week.